Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Valentine's Day Pikachu. So first we're going to get started with our hands, and we're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way down. And then we're going to move up on a diagonal on the right, replicating that. Drawing in total 5 small triangles. We're going to close this off from the bottom, curving this line around, and then back in on the top. Now for the heart on the left-hand side, curving this line around and then down. And then we'll do the same thing from that point, curving this up and then down on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the heart now. We're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And now from this point, we're going to curve this line back around and then up on the right. For the cheeks on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the same thing over on the right. Now from here, moving up, we're going to curve this line up and in on both sides. And then leaving a small gap closing off the top of the head, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Now inside of this, let's draw in our eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for our left eye. And then moving up on a diagonal, leaving a gap in the middle, we're going to replicate that on the right. Now in the top right corner, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then in the top left corner on our right eye, another circle. Let's move down for the cheeks on the side, curving this line out. In the middle for the nose between both of our eyes, let's draw in a small curved line. And then we're just going to close off the bottom with the letter V. For the mouth in the center, we're going to curve this line up and out. Now let's close off our ears. So on the right hand side where we have this gap, we're going to curve this line up and then over. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and then down on the side. Let's come over on the left. We're going to curve this line up and out. And then again from that point, just arching this line back around and then in on the bottom. On the top left, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes down on the bottom. And then we're going to replicate that over on the right. Now let's move down for our feet. We're going to leave a gap, curving this line around, back up. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move around on the left. On the inside, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines that come down towards the bottom of our page. Closing off the legs, we're going to arch these lines in towards our heart. On the bottom now, curving this line up and in on both sides. And then now let's draw in our tail. So on the side from the cheek, we're going to bring our diagonal line out towards the right. From the top, we're going to bring this line straight down. Again on the right, bringing another diagonal line that comes in. We're going to bring this line out and then back in towards our right arm. On the side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the cheek. And then one last time, just bringing this line out and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw a Valentine's Day Pikachu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.